Dear students, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, based on the time zone at presently you are staying. First of all, I welcome all of you for our YouTube channel. You know very well, I am Selvamani Krishnamurthy, who is sitting in front of you. This is Data Science video lesson number 32. In this lesson, let us study Introduction to Data Visualization. So, what do you mean by data visualization? How to create one chart, how to make the chart stylish or attractive. That is what we are going to study in this lesson. As usual, I like to share my screen. So I hope my screen is visible to all. So lesson number 32, topic is Introduction to Data Visualization. See, data visualization means graphical or pictorial representation of data using graph, chart, etc. Already we studied series as well as data frame, that's fine. So in this, everything we displayed in the form of tabular column, just like a rows and columns. Instead of displaying data in the form of rows and columns, I want to display that same data in the form of graph or chart. That is called as data visualization. So data visualization means graphical or pictorial representation of data using graph and chart. So matplotlib is a library is used for creating chart or figures in Python. So matplotlib is a one library. Before we studied so many libraries, for example, NumPy, Pandas, as well as SQL Alchemy, PyMySQL package we studied. Same thing, matplotlib is a one library available in Python. It is very much useful for creating chart and figures. One more submodule, that is PyPlot, is the submodule of matplotlib. That means PyPlot is available under matplotlib. It is a submodule under matplotlib. This plot function of the PyPlot, that means matplotlib is a one library. It contains PyPlot, that is submodule. That PyPlot submodule has so many functions. Out of this, we are going to use plot function as well as show function and many more. So plot function is used to create one figure. What do you mean by figure? A figure is the overall window which contains plotting area, legend, axis label, tick, title, and etc. So is a one function. It's also available under PyPlot. It is used to display the figure created by using plot function. That means what? First, we must import matplotlib pyplot. After that, we need to create one figure using plot. After that, we need to show the plot which is created by plot function. I hope it is clear. Now, let us study how to create one small chart by using plot and show. Here I have two lists, one small list. One is date, another one is temperature. We can consider this is the date, this is the temperature. These are the temperature of one particular city on these 3 days. That means what? 12th to 25th, lowest temperature recorded is 8.5. 12th to 26th, lowest temperature recorded is 10.5. 12th to 27, lowest temperature is 6.0, like this. For any one city, these 3 consecutive days, the minimum temperature recorded. I have two lists. One is date, it has list of date. Temperature, it has list of temperature. This is what my data. Before that, I need to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay. Now I need to use plt.plot, open bracket, close bracket, two list, date, comma, temperature. First one act as a x-axis, second one act as a y-axis. That means this plot creates one line chart, or this plot creates one figure. Over this, based on the date and the temperature, one line chart is plotted. Now the line chart is ready, but it is not visible. We want to make it as visible. So one more function we need, plt.show. This show only display the chart created by plot. Then only we will get. I hope it is clear to all. Now I will demonstrate the same thing in front of you so that you can easily understand. So now I need to import matplotlib.pyplot plt. First one. Then I need to create two lists. 25th of December, 6th of December, 7th of December. I have one list called date. Another list 8.5, comma 10.5, comma 6.8. I have two lists. Now I need to draw one diagram or one chart for this date and temperature. Otherwise, temperature versus date or date wise temperature I want to represent in the form of chart. This is what my aim. So plt.plot. First date will be x-axis, temp will be y-axis. Now plot is ready, but it is not visible. plt.show. Now I can see chart. matplotlib.pyplot, where I made mistake. Import. Here I made mistake. It should be plots. See, I got here, but some mistake is there. Date 10 is there. It should be 6.8 because it is 68 again. See it here, 8.5, 25th of December. 26th of December, this is 10.5. 27th of December, 6.8. So I got it. I hope it is clear. But the problem is this line chart is not that much attractive. What is missing? There is no chart title. There is no X label. There is no Y label like this. Okay, what I can do? See, this is what line chart we got it. But this line chart is not that much good. We will see another line chart. See, this is another line chart, same thing. But here I have date-wise temperature as a chart title. Date as a X label. Temperature as a Y label. Am I right? Here, Y label as only 3 points. 6.8, 8.5, 10.5. Here, so many data points are. These are the points I don't want. Only 6.8, 8.5 or 10.5. These only 6 points. Y-axis no problem. Only 3 dates are there. Here also 3 dates are there. Okay, like this I need. Another is an internal line. That is grid lines. Also I want. See, the color of the line is green. Line style. Wherever data points is there, date versus temperature, some star is there. These are the things I want. How to stylish our chart? See, title. How to place title? Title can be used to place chart title. Similarly, X label, Y label. It places X-axis label, Y-axis label. Grid places grid lines. Y ticks, set the tick location for Y-axis. X ticks, set the tick location for X-axis. Marker, symbol for the data points. Marker size, size of the marker. Color, color of the plotted data. Line width, width of the line chart. Line style, size of the line. These are the functions or attribute we can use to make chart somewhat attractive. See it here, same thing already I create to have two lists. One is date and temperature, no problem. So plt.title, I want to create one title, date wise temperature. X label date, Y label temperature. I need grid, that is why I give true. I need tick point for Y-axis for the data points available in temp list. The temp list contains only 3 data points, that is 6.8, 8.5, 10.5. I want tick point only for the data point available under temp list. Now I create another plot. Date is x-axis, temp is y-axis, no problem. Marker, what type of marker I want? Star as a marker symbol. Marker size I gave, this is the marker size. Green, line color is green. Line width is 2. Line style is dash and dot. 1 dash, 1 dot. 1 dash, 1 dot, like this. Very simple. Same thing I will demonstrate in front of you. Already I have two lists. One is date, another one is temp, no problem. So I need to plot one chart with the title date wise temperature. I need this as a chart title. Plot.x label. For X label, I want date. For Y label, I need temperature. Okay. Now let us proceed. Then we will see one by one. Plot here temp, sorry, date comma temp. That's all. Similarly, plt.show. Let me check. See, I got one new chart. It has date wise temperature as a title, date as a X label, temperature as a Y label. So far, no problem. Now I need grid lines. plt.grid of true. Let me check. It is a grid line. Okay. But I don't want these tick points. I need only tick point for 6.8, 8.5 and 10.5 or whatever data available under temp. plt.y tick. I get only this data point. 6.8, 8.5, 10.5 as a tick point. Fine. Now let us see one marker. Here one marker I needed. Here one marker. Here one marker. What symbol I want to put as a marker? Any symbol you can put it within single quotes. I prefer star. I prefer star. Let me check. Your star is there. The star is very small size. I want to make somewhat big. Marker size equal to 10. I made mistakes. Marker size. See it here. Before it's not size of the marker is very small. Now it increased. Color by default is blue color. I want to change it as a green. Color equal to within single quotes green or whatever color you want you can give. Now I got green. The line width I need to increase. Come on, line width. Line width equal to some 2 points. Now line width is increased. Line style I want to change. line style equal to within single quote dash dot. Let me check something missing. Let me check invalid syntax plot show. Your bracket is missing. CTR line style 1 dash 1 dot. I hope it is clear to all. Now let us go to this one. Good. So now we studied how to create one line chart. After that, how to make this line chart attractive by placing chart title, x-axis, y-axis, grid, and then white tick like this. Okay. I hope all of you enjoy this lesson. Today, let me stop here itself. In next lesson, let us study something extra. Until then, thank you, student. Have a nice good day. Bye-bye. See you.